Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So October was a very, very bearish month for all the dollar pairs. I mean, it definitely makes you think that this is like an A and this is like an expanding flat or a running flat, which means that an expanding flat would do this. A running flat would likely make a higher low like this and then turn back up. Either scenario, it does look like it is like either a running flat or an expanding flat. Now, I'm definitely, when it breaks structure on sort of time frames, I will start looking for logs just in case it is a bear trap and it just keeps on going up. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we do have a break and hold below structure on the weekly, which to me proves this move up is over, which definitely makes you think that this is like an irregular wave B, and that this is now going down for either a running flat, which would make a higher high, or possibly an expanding flat, which would make a lower high. Either way, let's look at it on the shorter time frames, heading down to the daily. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still down on this one. A lot of the other dollar pairs have given us the break of structure, but this one definitely hasn't. I think at some point it probably will, especially with the US elections, probably go up, start its wave A, probably eventually down for a wave B, and back up again for a wave C. I would expect the next move on this pair to be a crescent to this move down. This move down should most likely be a wave 1 or maybe a wave A. This move up that we're going to get next I think should be a wave B or a wave 2, more likely a wave 2. And the trading strategy is exactly the same for a wave B and a wave 2, which is looking for longs and shorter time frames. So for me, it's definitely not important to know the difference as of yet. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still down on the 4 hour. I am being very cautious though. I don't really think it'd be worth going short in a big way on shorter time frames because this totally looks like a 3, a 4, and a 5, and this move up is definitely very impulsive, which makes me think it's a trend, which means it probably is going to follow the other pairs. It probably is going to go up and break structure. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I was saying, we definitely do not have the breaker structure yet. So we can't say 100% that this is going to break structure, but this move up to me is definitely looking like a trend. This is not the shape of a crescent, this is the shape of a trend. Now it looks like a 5 wave trend though, so it does kind of look like the next move is possibly going to be down, which would be a crescent to this move up, and then likely we'll go up for either a wave C, which a wave C would probably look like this, up to a Fibonacci level and turn back down, or it's going to make a wave 3, which a wave 3 would go up and break this structure. So we're looking at either a wave A or a wave 1, we're looking at either a wave B or a wave 2 next, and then eventually we should go up for a wave C, or a wave 3. Hopefully we get that break and hold above structure so that way we know what the next step is, which the next step would be looking for longs in a wave B or a wave 2, unlike the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.